So, how much will a bad credit mortgage cost? Bad credit mortgages usually come with a higher rate of interest and, generally speaking, have a higher amount of fees payable for setting up the mortgage. The reason why is that mortgage lenders do view this type of mortgage as a little bit more risky, and that's because they are lending money to some individuals who have a history of not making their financial commitments on time. So for that reason, they do charge a little bit more money to offset that risk and to protect themselves. Whilst there are many fees and costs involved in the mortgage process, I'm going to highlight some of the main ones that you need to pay attention to. Interest rates will usually be about 1.5 to 2% higher than a typical high street mortgage. What that means is that you're usually going to pay more in interest over the space of the mortgage term. A valuation fee is a fee that a lender will charge for carrying out a valuation on a property that you are buying or remortgaging. With a high street mortgage, these are typically free. With a bad credit mortgage, these might cost in the region of £200 to £300. Assessment fees, this is usually a low amount of between £100 to £200 that will be charged by a lender for assessing and taking a look at your mortgage application. Like a valuation fee, this fee will usually have to be paid upfront when you actually apply for the mortgage. Lender products and completion fees, these will typically be between £1,000 and £2,000 and are payable for setting up the mortgage by the mortgage lender. They're also payable commonly with high street mortgages, and these can usually be added to the loan. A minimum 10% deposit will be required in most circumstances. Now, this will vary from case to case, and it will depend on your personal circumstances.